I can't believe this class still isn't over.
But you showed up 10 minutes late.
I know, right? I should probably leave early.
And this is the first time you've been to class in over 2 weeks.
I know, right? I probably should have just stayed home. I just can't believe how boring this class is.
Perhaps if you took notes it wouldn't be so boring.
But I don't see any reason to take notes.
Didn't you say earlier that you failed all of the tests?
I know, right? I should have gotten A's instead.
And didn't you say you need an A on the final just to pass this class?
Yeah, I'll be so surprised if I don't get an A on the final.
I don't understand. If you don't like taking notes, studying, or even coming to class, why are you even enrolled?
Because all my life my family and friends have told me I must go to college.
Not everyone is meant to go to college.
But I am. My family and friends told me so.
So you're going to spend the next 6 years just barely passing your way through college and get a degree just because your family and friends told you so?
Yes.